Hello fellow traders, how are you doing? I hope you had another great week with us, with plenty of huge gains and small losses. Gibson here from MrMTrades. Welcome to the next video. So today we are finally uncovering the basics of our strategy, or I should say the basics of the strategies we are using, because we actually have few of them, and depending on what the price shows us and how the setups are forming in front of our eyes, we are deciding on what strategy to use. And this involves the entries, the live trade follow-up, as I call it, and finally the exits. So without further ado, let's jump into the charts. I've got the Riot blockchain incorporated stock here, which is trading on Nasdaq. And I'd like to also mention that we are not using any indicators today. We are simply following the structure, and with that we are anticipating our next move. Remember that we are not predicting any moves, we are reacting to what the market and price tell us. So on the daily time frame, we can clearly see the price moving in a downtrend fashion, creating lower lows and lower highs. So we can expect the price to move further down. But that's on the higher time frame. And before that lower low happens, we can take a closer look at what's happening in between this structure and look for some trade opportunities there and then. Getting on a bit lower time frame, you can see that even on 8 hours the price is shifting. So remember, we have created a lower low, breaking the previous lower low structure here, and now the price wants to shift, and indeed the price is starting to break some structures here. So this is clearly our lower time frame break of structure here. Now, being aware that we still have our higher time frame lower low support, we can assume that the price doesn't want to go below this point, at least not yet. So with all this information, we are looking for buy opportunities here. And right now I want to reiterate what I have surely already mentioned a dozen times in my videos, which is remember to follow the structure. The price can't just move from one point to another, from $14 to, let's say, $24 in one move, okay? Obviously, there are many other reasons for that, but one of them is the law of supply and demand, and it's also quite visible on the lower time frames. And to reach our supply, we need to have the demand first, and vice versa, when we look for selling opportunities. So print it out in your mind: high high, high low, lower low, lower high. In other words, buy before you sell or sell before you buy. And this will create our structure, which we can use with our trading. So as we are getting lower on our time frames here, we can see with this intermediate structure higher high, higher low, anticipating a break of this structure and another higher high. The even lower structures tell us a similar story: higher highs and higher lows, until the price shifts and goes down, almost reaching our larger structure, lower low. But then it shifts again with this higher high and higher low and higher high. And as you can see, our range is narrowing down, creating this descending triangle. And we know what happens with descending triangles, and with any structures and trading patterns, price likes to break out of them. Of course, don't get confused with the reason. There's a triangle created here. The triangle doesn't get created by itself. In fact, as you can see, it is clearly driven and being created by the price. And as you will start to study and backtest other stocks and timeframes, you will start noticing those patterns more and more. So let's just sum up the whole process here. We started on the higher time frame, daily to be exact. Then we followed lower lows and lower highs. Then we moved to the 1 hour time frame and followed the structures there. And now that we have all this information, we will start looking for our entry point. But we'll have a closer look at it in the next video. So stay tuned. If you liked this video and got any value from it, please hit that like button. It's right there below the video. Write a comment and come visit us on Telegram, for which you'll find the link below. We have a great group of like-minded people there. We are discussing our strategies and our trades, supporting each other in the process. So come in and say hi. Have a great week, even better trades, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.